Finally, on the news this hour, a coalition of child rights advocates has raised alarm over the growing incidence of exploitative child domestic work in Nigeria, calling for urgent policy action, community involvement, and stronger law enforcement. The Development Center for Africa Development, with support from the Freedom Fund, brought together stakeholders working to protect vulnerable children from abuse and servitude. The executive director, Joseph Osigwe, stressed that exploitative child domestic work remains one of the worst forms of child labor, often marked by isolation, long hours, denial of education, and heightened risk of abuse. Also speaking, the Chief Executive Officer of CCRF Child Advocacy Center, BC Ajayi Kayode, called for comprehensive child protection services, noting that the foundation's approved shelter program and stressed that children belong in schools.
Under protection, we support children who are already in the domestic work or affected by domestic work through child rights education, psychosocial counseling, formal education, skill training, and mentorship, helping them to discover their dignity.
When you take an 11 to 12-year-old girl to start taking care of 4 or 5 children, including toddlers, she will cook for them, dress them up, and wakes up 4 a.m., sleeping at 11 a.m. There's no way that child can have a proper development. And that's why we are having criminal tendencies and a strong challenge in the issue of mental health care for children.
Of course, sign them up for skill acquisition programs as well, where they're able to learn skills such as barbing, tech skills, sewing, fashion designing, and of course we also support them with psychosocial and mentorship program.
We've gone to churches, we've sensitized some community leaders and CDA members. We taught them about case management, how to report cases, how to follow up cases, and even how to help in their own way